Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about sum function in MS Excel. The most commonly used function in MS Excel is sum function. So we have various types of sum functions in Excel. The frequently used function is sum if and sum ifs. So let's discuss about sum function in today. So we have a sales data. In this sales data, so in sales we have a sales executive wise, sales state wise, and sales region wise. So now if the manager wants to know the complete total sales of the data, we have to use the function called sum data. So let's start the function is equal to sum open bracket. So in Excel all the formulas we have to start with is equal to sum bracket start open bracket. So we have to select the range. So we have a sales data in E3 to E10. Close the bracket and enter. So total 290 sales data came. Suppose if the manager wants to know the region wise sales data, we have to use the function called SUMIF. SUMIF is the extension to the sum formula. If any condition if we want to apply in sum formula means we have to use SUMIF function. So let us start the SUMIF function here is equal to sum if open bracket. If you want to know the data in region wise, we have to select the region here in the data, and so which region you want, south region you want, comma here, and you have to select the sales data here. Press enter. So now 130 came. So let's manually we can calculate the here south region 20 to 40 60, 60 to 20 80, 80 to 30 110, 110 to 20 130. So copy here and paste here. So total sales it came. So now if the manager wants to know the state wise region, the same formula we have to apply here is equal to sum if open bracket select the state comma select the state here comma and total range of the sales. Again it come. Here the state wise sales it will come. Now if the manager wants to know the data with sales executive wise, so we have a problem here. The same sales executive Viru sales executive is there in two different states. So one is Maharashtra, another one is Andhra Pradesh. If we use SUMIF formula, so it will come only 70. So here we have to use SUMIFs. SUMIF is one more extension to the SUMIF formula. In SUMIF formula, we can use only one condition. But SUMIF formula, you can use more number of conditions here. So is equal to, let's start the formula, is equal to sum ifs. First in SUMIFs, first we have to select range. Next, condition, comma, cells executive, comma, state, comma, state here. Press enter. Here it will come. Now, so here it will come. In Viru we have Viru sales executive we have in Maharashtra and we have in Andhra Pradesh. Viru in Maharashtra say total sales is 70 and Viru Andhra Pradesh is total sales is 20. Here also it comes like that. So if you want to use the sum if formula, we can use multiple conditions over here. So that's all for today. So now you can able to understand the sum if formula in Excel. Please like and share, subscribe my channel. If you like and share, subscribe my channel, it will more encourage to us to do more videos. Thank you.